What is Shopify and how to create Shopify store in 5 steps? Please like this video and subscribe our channel, Earn Online with Rabina, for more videos. Shopify is a cloud-based e-commerce platform that allows users to create an online store to sell products. The platform provides a wide range of features and tools to help users manage and grow their online business, including inventory management, payment processing, and marketing tools. Here are 5 steps to create a Shopify store. 1. Sign up for a Shopify account. Go to shopify.com and select Start Free Trial to create a new account. 2. Customize your store. Select a theme for your store and customize the design and layout to match your brand. 3. Add products. Add products to your store by creating product listings and describing the products you're selling. 4. Set up payment and shipping. Configure your store's payment and shipping settings to accept payments and ship products to customers. 5. Launch your store. Once you've finished setting up your store, you can launch it and start accepting orders. Thanks for watching.